All right, one last one here. We are going to rewrite these equations in slope-intercept form. I'm going to take first 6x minus 5y, oops, is less than 15, and solve for y, minus 6x minus 6x. We get negative 5y is less than negative 6x plus 15. And then when we divide both sides by negative 5, that is exactly at the moment that we need to switch the inequality to the other direction. That's what we need to do whenever we multiply or divide by negative. And don't gloss over that fact. You should be hearing that. It's just such a crazy important fact that you need to change the direction of the inequality if you divide or multiply by a negative. And if you're not exactly sure, if you feel like you're a little fuzzy on what we're talking about there, then don't let it go by before you ask for clarification. Okay? Come to me and we'll go over that. Now, the negatives cancel out. You get 6/5 x, and 15 divided by negative 5 is negative 3. Okay? Let me graph this first. Okay? We're going to put a point at negative 3 for the y-intercept, and then we're going to rise 6, run 5. It's a pretty big jump, it looks like. Rise 6, run 5. And we can go in the other direction, drop 6, go in the other direction 5 right there. Okay? Should we put a dotted line? Well, it does not say or equals, so a dotted line is not appropriate. We should put a dashed line like that. Right? Kind of funny looking, I know, but that's fine. And do we want to go above it or below it? It says y is greater, so we want to go above. That's that one. Now let's do the other equation, solve it. You've got x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 7. Subtract x, and we get 2y greater than or equal to negative x plus 7. And normally I don't write the divided by 2 like this. I rewrite it, but I'm doing it because I'm almost out of space. And we get y is greater than or equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3.5, 3.5. That means we got to go up to 3.5 right here and put a point. And then rise negative 1, run 2. That gets us right there. And we'll do that several times. Okay, should we put a solid line? We should, because it says or equals. So we're going to put a solid line, runs through there. And then do we want to go above it or below it? It says y is greater, so we want to go above. And then we're looking for the area of intersection. And so that area of intersection is this space here. Okay, and as you can see, since that's a dotted line, we can go up to that line but not include points on that line, the purple line. But for the light blue line, we can actually include points on that line. And all of that space is your solution set. We're done.